Once you've deployed your CommServe software, your next task will be to log into the Command Center and complete the initial setup. Commvault provides a guided setup to get you up and running efficiently and optimally. To begin, click Let's Get Started. The first part of the core setup is to configure target storage. Commvault supports local and network disk, AirGap Protect, multiple cloud vendors, and our scale-out storage platform, HyperScale X. We'll start with local disk. To connect to storage, you'll need a media agent. If you installed the CommServe as an all-in-one device or have already installed the media agent software, these can be selected. If not, you can click the plus icon to install a new media agent to a Windows or Linux server. Media agents must be sized correctly based on the environment and workloads protected. For full details on sizing and requirements, go to documentation.commvault.com. Fill in the details for your media agent. Click Install and the installation process will complete in the background. Once complete, the media agent can be selected from the drop-down and the storage can be configured. Starting with a backup location where protected data will be stored. This can be local or network-based. If deduplication is used, select a location of high-performance disk for the deduplication database. Again, for full details on supported storage, visit documentation.commvault.com. Next, we'll need to create a plan. This will control where the data is stored, how long for, and how often it is protected. Select the storage. Specify the desired retention, using extended retention rules to retain specific jobs longer. And then hit Save. Next, we'll specify the backup frequency and can set backup windows by specifying times of the day when jobs can or cannot run. Hit Next. The final options you can optionally modify are for snapshot operations and backup copies. Make any required changes or select the default options, click Submit, and you're all set, ready to configure your workloads.